Hey, what's up? I'm Austin of Austin My underscore 238, and you are watching Trina Miller 100.
Good morning, guys. Another round of snow. We're still under winter weather advisory for Sedgwick County. So, the date's set to expire, but it is still really cold. But, yeah, it is still really cold. So, look at this. Look at this. Can you see that? It's actually falling down. I mean, this is so awesome, guys. Tomorrow they're gonna have some flood, so got some heavy rain. So yeah, I don't know what's going on with this weather here. I mean, look at this. Got some freezing rain, sleet, and snow. So good thing we got snowed in. So guess what, you guys? Hollow is staying until she goes home tomorrow. So we were planning to take her home, but she decides to stay here one more time. So yeah, but right now I gotta go ahead and put some cards and insights on this computer so I can get to work before I actually do something. Just got done watching a bunch of Red, but kind of has a little bit of plot twist. So Claire was in love with Dale. So I don't know what's going on here. So we'll find out next Thursday because of the election. So yeah. So Mom, she's not here. So anyway, Claire was in love with Dale, and then she's about to be blown off the Bachelorette, but I believe the new Bachelorette is next week. So I don't know what's going on. It's just a plot twist. So yeah, but just a spoiler, guys. So yeah, but anyway, I gotta finish up my dinner. So yeah. Oh, hello. Oh my. Oh my. Oh my. Wow. Oh, hello is actually playing. So my mom just made me chocolate chip cookies. So yeah, I'm eating those right now. Alright guys, so I'm in the night by watching Phantom of the Megaplex on Disney Plus. So yeah, but anyway, since this vlog is gonna be short, I gotta rearrange it into double vlog days. So that's all Tuesday. So I will check back with you tomorrow. Good night. Oh, and by the way, this is part of my Halloween movie tonight. I'm just saying. Alright, good night. It's like Hollow's playing with my bell here. About to go daycare, Hollow. I'm gonna miss you. I'm gonna miss you, Hollow. Hey guys, good morning. Happy Wednesday. So, Holland's off to daycare, and after that, she's gonna go home to her mom. So, I guess I'm free for the rest of the week. So, I'm getting things prepared for Halloween, and also eating some lunch and get some gameplay videos going. And yeah, I don't know what else to do for the rest of the day. So, might get some rain here today. So, yeah. So I just got done watching the Nintendo Direct Mini part of Showcase, the last one. So they did announce that Bravely Default 2 will be releasing on February 26th. So the pre-order is gonna be now, according to Nintendo eShop on my Switch. And it said the pre-order is actually now. So here it is. You can pre-order now if you want. I'm not getting it. And also, No More Heroes is coming to the Switch. Look at this. You can barely see it. Look at this. You can barely see it. No More Heroes is now on the Switch. And also, guess what? Control Ultimate Edition, Cloud Edition, or Cloud. Okay. Is this Cloud version? So, yeah. Cloud version, free download. If you have internet to play this game, if you have internet, please do it. So I played this before on the PS4, but and now it is on the Switch. So yeah, it is free download here. And also, they did tell her about Hyrule Warriors: Age of Calamity, and also more details about Bravely Default 2 and some of the games, including Hitman 3 Cloud version. So yeah, so I will do a gaming channel recording for the gaming update. So yeah, so here it is. I'm on the eShop. Control is available for free download if you have internet to play this game. So if your connection's unstable, you can't play it. So yeah, free download, Control Ultimate Edition, Cloud version. And also, No More Heroes is available, and also No More Heroes 2. They're both available, and also No More Heroes 3 is coming soon. And also, Bravely Default 2 is available for pre-order now. And it is available on February 26, 2021. So yeah. So I probably should try it later on. I don't know if my internet goes up and down, keeps on dropping frames when we're playing Fortnite with Ross. So yeah. But we still have internet, so my internet's good. So yeah, can't believe it. The cloud version of Control Ultimate Edition is available, so you must have an internet to play this game. So this is no joke. like to talk a lot, having some G Fuel hydration. So yeah. Oh boy, guys, it's getting late. I'm getting a little exhausted. So it is still raining. So hopefully it will stop tomorrow by the time I wake up. So yeah. But anyway, I just want you guys to be safe from the Hurricane Zeta. So let me know in the comments down below if you're affected from Hurricane Zeta. So yeah, but anyway, I gotta go ahead and wrap up this vlog. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. So Halloween is almost here. So yeah. But anyway, make sure to hit subscribe for more videos and more content. And the vlogs will be in the cards right here. And remember, as always, choose what to be. And next watch, please subscribe. Bye. I'm Trina Minute 100. Thank you so much for watching today's vlog. If you want more vlogs, gameplays, and a lot of stuff, click or tap subscribe and turn on notifications. Don't forget to leave a like. Follow me at any social sites at the Insulate. Also, check out Trina Minute 100 Games channel and Better Bear Kim 17's channel. Until next time, peace.